Is this really the life I'm living? 'Cause I don't feel like I deserve it. Every day that I wake, every breath that I take, you've given. So right here, right now, while the sun is shining down, I wanna live like there's no tomorrow, like I'm on borrowed time. It's good to be alive. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, good morning. It's Tuesday morning the 9th. Oh, it's about 5:31. I'm at Quandry Peak trailhead. Can't see it from here. It's back behind those trees. I'll show you a little bit. I'm at the parking lot. Today I'm climbing Quandry Peak, 14,200 and change. It's 6.5 miles out and back. So not a long trail. You do get some serious elevation though. You get 3,000 foot of climb over 3 miles. So 500 foot a mile is an acceptable climb. I mean, that's working. 1,000 foot a mile, that's really working. So take my time, take my slow time. I got it. Make it to the top. I'll show you some views along the way. All right, Quandry Peak. Just outside of Breckenridge. 6.5 miles round trip. Carrying 3 liters of water, all my snacks and goodies. It starts off chilly. I'm about to put my gloves on, that's for sure. Hands get cold. All right, later down the trail. Okay, haven't done much filming. We are at 11,590 feet and getting the tree line. Been a nice hike this morning so far. Nothing terrible. Steps along the way. Nice path. That's the first false summit we're gonna hit right there. Sun coming up behind me. Keep going. 11,598. It's almost 11,600 foot. Pretty close to tree line. Looks like it's gonna be right about 12,000 foot. All right. Alrighty. It's about 6 in the morning. As you can see, I busted above tree line. It's I'm averaging 30 minutes a mile. I've been on trail about 1.5 miles. I'm at 11,797. So let me keep going, heading to the top. But yeah, took about 1.5 miles to get above tree line, and it's just shy of 11,800 foot. Got a couple trees here, but the views. All right, looking back to the sunrise back east. Man. Look at this. Wow, pardon my breathing. Man. Okay, as you can see, I've broken above tree line. Those are the last trees right there. I'm at 12,177. I'm 1.8 in. I've been hiking for an hour and 5 minutes. I'm averaging 32 minutes a mile. So this is where I'm going. This is the first false summit right here. Right there. That's the first false summit. Then you got to get that saddle. That's the summit of their Quandry Peak. I'm at over 12,177 feet. So I have about 2,000 more foot of gain, roughly, give or take. So there you go. Quandry Peak, Tuesday morning. It's a great day to be alive. Thank you, Lord. Okay, I gained the first ridgeline to the false summit, which is right there. First false summit. There's the ridgeline walk to that. Beyond that is the peak of Quandry. But look at this view. Look at that. God's creation. As far as you can see, mountains. Just beautiful. And I'm going up there. Straight up that trail to that peak up there. I got just over 1,000 foot of climb left to go. Over 1 mile. So I'm getting there. I've been 2 miles. My average pace is 40 minutes climbing. I've been on trail an hour and 18 minutes. All right, heart rate's been running in the 130s. I feel good. O2 stat is good. All right, let's keep pushing. All right, decided to take a little break. I'm at 12,757 feet. Eat me a granola bar. I've been hiking 2.18 miles. First break, been on trail about an hour and 40 minutes, I believe. Hour and 34 minutes. That's the ridge right there. Can't see the summit, but it's back behind there. But this is the final pitch. I start the final pitch right here, the final 1,000 foot to the summit. So I got just over, well, right about a mile to go. Sorry, ate about a granola. All right, feeling real good. Once I get this one, this will be my 4th 14er in 3 days. All right, push on. Okay, as you can see, I'm on the final pitch. The Karens marked the way. There they are. They take you to the top. Snow-capped peak. Final pitch. 1,000 foot of gain. Just under a mile. 360 views. Look at that. Okay. Just wanted to show y'all what the final pitch looks like. Let's see. I can't really see it behind me. I don't know if I'm in it. I know I haven't shaved in 3 or 4 days. I look rough. I'm getting a hotel room tonight though. So I'll clean up. I've been camping. What do you expect? All right. Okay, made it to the top of the false summit, which is right here that I'm on. Can't see the ground below me. So that means I'm on the false summit. I'm at 13,300 feet. Up there is the final push of 14,200. So I got about 900 foot of climb over about half a mile, 3/4 of a mile. So that's a pretty steep climb, as you can see. If you see that snow going up the ridge right there, that snow right there, okay, that's the peak, that's the snow. I'm gonna be, the trail follows that snow right on the side, right up that way to the ridge. So, matter of fact, you probably can't see them, but I see some people in a red jacket right there, right next to that snow. So, that's the ridge, I can see it. All right, let me go make a push. So coming up the ridge, I could see that upper lake. Now I could see this lower lake, but I couldn't see the upper lake. If you look, coming out of that lake is white. I thought that was ice, but that's actually the flow coming downhill into that lower lake right there. And then it keeps draining down into the valley. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna be quiet. Probably can't. I know I can hear the wind. All right. Let's make it to the top. Okay, I made it to the 14,000 foot mark. Got 270 foot to go. There it is up there. I made another 14er. Accomplished the goal. All right. There's a hiker going right up there. She's just above me. Alrighty. Very good. $14,000 foot. Number 4. Number 4. Okay, I'm walking back across the saddle, heading back down. It'll be my last point up here on Quandry Peak. I'm in the middle of the saddle. It's been a great hike. Easy, relatively easy. I mean, you have in basic cardio shape to do this, but it's not a difficult 14er at all. Not at all. It's a pretty straightforward trail to the top. No bouldering, no major bouldering. It's pretty clean, cut, dry trail. Nice look across the valley. All right, well, it's 8 o'clock here. I'm gonna get back down and go see if I can find me a Waffle House somewhere. Look at the people coming. It's just a line of people. It's gonna be like this all day going up there to the top. Just a line of hikers all the way up. I was one of the first ones up there. One of the first ones heading back down. How y'all doing?
Doing well, and you?
Yeah, doing well. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, have a good day.
You as well.
Yeah, you can see people just coming. Just a line of folks. All ages. Men, women, young, old. It's all what they do. How y'all doing? Good morning. Good morning. All right, let me get across this saddle and keep on dropping down. As far as you can see, people coming. I was out ahead of them. Early bird gets the worm. All right. From Quandry Peak. You're going more through 60. I could probably shed a layer now. Sun's up. I just haven't taken the time to take it off, but I think I will. All right, there's Quandry behind me. All right. Just a line of people coming up. I mean, this is amazing. I haven't seen this. There we go. How y'all doing? Come on. All right. As far as you can see, just people coming up. I'm glad I got it done. Hey, good morning.
How was it, Mike?
It wasn't bad at all, thank you. Okay, there's those 2 lakes I was showing y'all earlier. The upper lake and the lower lake. That's the upper. Has a water that comes down and fills this lake. And then that keeps on going down. But yeah, I'm almost down back to tree line. There's just a steady line of people going up all the way up there. I mean, I've passed some people. It's a popular trail. This is considered one of the easier 14ers to do, and it's right outside of Breckenridge. It's about 20 minutes south of Breckenridge, so you can see why it's popular. All right, let me get on down this trail. Figured I'd show y'all the parking lot where I'm headed to. So you can see those cars right down there. There's the road. You come in and you turn, and right behind those trees is a big parking lot right down there. And it's $40 to park if you drive, or you can pay $7 to take the 20-minute shuttle. Yeah, I paid $7 and took the shuttle. And it's round trip. All right, I'm back down to tree line, which means I'm back down to about 12,200 foot. All righty. I'm almost back to the trailhead. It was dark this morning when I came through this, so I didn't film any of this until I got, out a little bit and there was a good day breakthrough, but it's just going through a spruce forest. It's really beautiful. Lots of steps. Yeah, I'm about, 3/10 from the trailhead, but this is what it starts off like, just climbing these steps through the spruce forest. Rocky through here. But anyway, great hike today. When I finish up, it's going to be 6.25 miles. The advertised distance. Alrighty, let me get down here before I fall. Okay, so this is what I did. I hiked this blue trail all the way up. That's all gaining. To Quandry Peak. Right there. You can see the topo lines, especially right through here. That indicates a lot of steepness right through there, how tight those lines are. And right here, there's a pretty good bit of steepness too. Alrighty. Quandry Peak.
don't feel like I deserve it. Every day I wanna live like there's no tomorrow, love, like I'm on borrowed time. It's good to be alive.